Mabuhay Pilipinas! What's up sa inyo dyan? Ako po si Dwayne.
At ako si Shanta.
Yan, ang maganda kong asawa. Kami po ay 100% Australian, 100% Filipina na mag-asawa dito sa Pilipinas, mismo dito sa magandang lungsod ng Manila. Ayaw! Ngayon, Shanta, ano ang tanong natin? Ano ang itatanong natin sa ating mga viewers ngayon? Basahin mo, oh, nandyan.
Who are the best Asian?
Who are the best Asians in the world?
Who are the best English-speaking Asians in the world?
Ayan, yan ang pag-usapan natin ngayong araw. Panalo ba ang Pilipinas?
Yay!
Or hindi? Tingnan natin.
You're beautiful, shine like a star.
Shanta, ano ang mga Asian na bansa? We have China, Japan,
Korea, my favorite.
yan, Korea,
Yes.
Vietnam, Cambodia, ano pa?
Malaysia, Singapore.
Thailand, Indonesia, Mongolia, Pilipinas, ganon.
Ganun.
Ganon. Sa lahat ng Asian countries or kahit saan bansa sa mundo, halos lahat ng tao marunong. English is the international language. It's a language everyone is encouraged to learn. When I was in Leyte, I saw a school. At the front of the school there was a sign. It said, "Retain your native dialect to connect with your heritage. Learn to speak Tagalog to connect with your country. Learn English to connect with the world."
Wow, naalala mo pa yun?
We live in a digital online age at the moment where you can connect with any person, anytime, anywhere. Universal language this is done in is English. So this video, Dwanta Fam, is sponsored by Cambly. Cambly are an English teaching app that anyone in the world can download if you want to speak English. Luckily, it is easier to learn English now than ever before because we live in a digital age, because we have apps like Cambly. Cambly focuses exclusively on English. It's one-on-one tutorials with a private tutor. Private tutors, the best way to learn. The tutors are available 24/7 and obviously provide one-on-one English lessons.
Cambly even offers trained tutors for IELTS, TOEFL,
TOEIC, or preparation for job interviews. You can even choose your tutor based on your interests. All Cambly lessons are recorded so you can watch them over and over again.
But before we talk about Cambly, pag-usapan muna natin kung sino-sino yung mga Asian countries na magaling sa English.
According to population, the percentage of the population that speaks good English. At 5th place, we have Thailand. 27% of the people in Thailand can speak decent English. Number 4. Sino number 4? Brunei. Ayan.
39%.
Yes. 39% of the population of Brunei speak English.
Tapos, on 3rd place, we have Malaysia.
Ilang percent? 62% of the people in Malaysia can speak English. Hello, baby. Number 2, ladies and gentlemen, at 2nd place, we have
Crazy Rich Asians!
Singapore. 83% of the people in Singapore can speak English. And in 1st place, ladies and gentlemen, the Philippines! 92% of the people in the Philippines can speak English. Ang galing, no?
Ang galing ng Pilipinas!
Wow, ang galing. That's why this place is so attractive for foreigners. It's easy for us to navigate our way around here kung hindi ka marunong mag-Tagalog kasi ang tamad mo, ayaw mo mag-aral. However, it doesn't end there, okay? Panalo po ang Pilipinas sa population statistics pero hindi nanalo ang Pilipinas sa proficiency in English. Okay, so how well the population of your country speaks English. Ayan. So this isn't Asian countries only. This is every country in the world where English is the second language, hindi yung first language. Okay, because obviously pag first language ang pinag-usapan natin, palalo ang America, England, Australia, no, diba? The most proficient English speakers where their language is not English is the Netherlands at 71%, ladies and gentlemen. Netherlands ang panalo. Pangalawa po is Sweden, 70% proficient in English. Denmark is number 3. Number 3 is Denmark at 69%. Yan, 69%. Wala tayo sa first 3 nakakalimut eh. Number 5 is Singapore. Okay, at 66%. They are 66%.
Mas proficient pala sila kaysa sa Philippines.
Yes.
Speaking in English.
Tama. Mas maraming Pilipino ang marunong mag-English, pero mas magaling daw ang mga taga-Singapore mag-English. 13th place, ladies and gentlemen. Talo tayo sa Malaysia. Malaysia is number 13 on the list, and 61% of them are proficient in English.
Wait, so sabi, 62% yung
marunong
mag-English.
Pero ito yung proficiency as in fluent. So 61% of those people are fluent in English. Philippines is number 15. Okay, not bad. Not bad. Pero number 15 pa tayo. Okay, at 60%.
60%.
Just under Malaysia.
So
60%, more than half.
Out of the 92% na na marunong mag-English, 60% of the 92% proficient.
Yan. Ito sila. Ayan. Ang website sila. Doon galing ang mga statistics natin.
Siguraduhin nyo.
Yeah. So 15 pa lang. Talo tayo sa dalawang Asian countries na Malaysia at saka Singapore. Time to level up na. And that's when Cambly comes in, okay? Being fluent in English opens doors to bigger opportunities out there. Learning English is an investment. The best way to learn a foreign language is to speak to someone who speaks that foreign language natively. Halimbawa ako, nung nasa Leyte pa ako, di ba, natuto akong mag-Tagalog, natuto akong mag-Bisaya, tsaka waray-waray. Dahil nasa paligid ko ang mga native speakers. So what I like about this Cambly app is that it connects you to native tutors. People from Canada, people from the UK, people from Australia. So you get to practice speaking English with a native speaker. In fact, Shanta is going to start a lesson right now with a teacher from the Cambly app.
Before we jump right into a lesson, I need to get a little bit of information about the student and those kind of things. What's your age? How old are you?
I'm 34.
I'll tell you a little bit about myself. I'm 44 years old. I'm from Windsor, Canada. Where do you live?
I'm in the Philippines. I live in the Philippines, Manila.
I've had some friends from there that moved to Canada. We can either do conversation practice, or we can have more of a structured lesson. For example, if you're on a computer, we can have a lesson on one side of the screen, and we can follow along that way. I can type here like this, and you can see some work on the screen. It's another way we can communicate. How's your weather today? What's it like there?
It's cloudy, but it's hot.
It's getting colder in Canada. The snow is going to be coming pretty soon. And the seasons change so quickly. It goes from being hot to cold, and we really get a lot of different changes.
Because I see my friends post, I think you have snow now, right?
The real snow doesn't come until like December or January.
Oh, so it's not snow. My tutor was very friendly and he was good. It's good for practice.
Now, dahil sponsor namin ang Cambly, Cambly have offered you guys a special discount, okay?
Just click the link below.
Yes.
And you will get 15 minutes free.
Yes,
tutorial.
correct. I've also put a second link in the description below which gives you a 10% discount on any plan with Cambly.
So click that link below and talk and practice your English.
Para magle-level up na ang Pilipinas mula sa 15th place sa first place na, darating natin ang Netherlands.
Ang layo ng...
But still, number 1 pa rin tayo sa population, the amount of people in the country that speak English. Ayan, 8% lang ang hindi marunong, no? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, maraming salamat po sa panonood ng Duanta Fam. Kita-kita sa sunod na video ng Duanta.
You're beautiful, shine like a star.